car from Fox and Listowell Capital Radio Hana na also US also in a private TV way. Enti na me ko school abenti the songo ne prince nyina F4 card no mon quality from school and I me na mu a me commentary and ye enti ye kra na me de me si from kra na me kofi enti me kodu fia me hwe news anwumre no am say me nam cha so asisi line enti me do taxi station hodum na obi store mu TV no news nam say ade na ekoso nti me na nam tinche bisam say akwaku ye se nkofo nam say no afa me hwe TV na what's happening. Born na ya commentary awie na me ama anko awie amesi for makọ ma pon ama kofie mi kodu fie awie na me TV na
yes born na obe anko
awie ye no say nipa ewu ho. I was so sad so sad and I'm from so we share camera video we na no muji na no na reho na areho pass me kwhwe ball aba me kodu stadium well, if you cry, I do almost said they call.
If you said Jenny, as on my you're not the wrong man, you pass away. Maybe ABC refs. So, policemen now, they don't know what do to them. Got 2 tear gas, no. I'm gonna call fast anymore because our time, Grano, so to TBS, National Source Authority that time. Gate to create and come be my supporters and from Pino. Is a gate in Israel to tomb and Obi on my crown source in Biano. And him says staircase is shut. And he says stampede bar. Adiano, Usane.
Yes.
Ti o grand baby, o Daniel fan, unya top from Ubitia.
Yes.
Ti o Diane or my wronger. Me
first way, getting on to 2 mono.
The first thing.
To me, the first thing here, getting on to 2 mono. Because football, no, Obin say, ye Kobobo, Nipanko, but. Correct to me supporters mo am I sabi obi to me chese kan anya ade obi be pa baby adwane afa enti eko game na wie yesa no otumu otutu gate na obi kra na ye mpon o sabi ho na ye hye ni team a sorry coffee nti one lock no mo person coffee no enko tam he no betumi afa e de akọ me that is the first thing and 2 tear gas no so a omoto ye no omoto ko crowd no mo at least se bia beto akowie mu ni short bi ni ade kwempo na aske o mo but otuko crowd no mu a tear gas o mo a omoto tear gas na nim sade ehihye ne sade city enti those 2 no na ha adwen enti from ablode interview an na esisi no ma me pick kakra e wo me first we abent ma me fan free ho security personnel on the stadium no at least yen hwe omo ye soccer inclined kakra exactly because any so mo kon to say normal police duty a omo ko arrest obi and as omo ko guard the bank and as bibi mentality ni any different kakra say we game agro say somehow business aspects na no for managers omo management team for no nimum game na nkasa den supporters say kwa mo kwa akobọ mo ho ban ne de mo say flexibility kakra beben
because I would tia bro there I say ono ankasa otibi say policeman ba ko ka che ne nyonko say ento ade ne nko ho
ento nko nipa nu mu a orehwe nipa na se park
obi a person opie
exactly
and e be sa stampede be ba nipa be wu
yes enti omo security personnel be call stadium ho no omo show omo at least omo passion for game no kakra omo ti ase enso kakra no omo say
ali omo nim kra betu am omo orientation bia
very good omo orientation kakra mo ansa no mo so omo kwa enye sade obi kwa handle obi a sabi criminal bi onam kroma ya kwa che no na odi be call stadium sa mentality no na fin so again referees no so say the communication gadgets
okay yentie referee no enchechema on the mind as to why o ma go no enso stand here ebra na ono agitum say na assistant no epija flag wa chechem reason tia o ma go no enso ginai
people said that my assistant raised the flag. Yes, he did, but for a different infringement. The infringement was for the same attacker and they have the advantage by the laws of the game. What do? You play on. I played him on. He brought his flag down. Where this gentleman moved to pick his ball had nothing to do. By law, perfect. He picks the ball, scores. Yes, some people made noise. It ended. We continue the game.
So there's no sense of guilt for you?
No. I've done nothing wrong. I feel it as someone losing a father, losing the son, losing a brother. That aspect But the blame that was that is totally false, and I don't accept that. I always believe that we played our part well. I won't allow those who don't know the law.
Okay. I'm the referee not him.
The explanation is perfect.
Perfect.
Spot on. Say, play advantage. Or sometimes I stand referee to me a flag. Then referee, center referee person play advantage. To me signal or the flag.
Also, what you do? The lines in the pajana flag. But also born the toilet or corn ho. And no besides, I didn't know pajana flag. No say. Timer has a attacking. There was a tackle on Hasbrook player. And now on no assistant named draw referee no. Attention say obi atwa obi but say referee so no timer na adwemba no say na assistant na pega line no na as for the ball no mo kokoro agi why na me play an advantage
yes
sabe no so no baby and she want foul ball no ko chair na onye offside and there is no need say original no so aka so afi na me abra nipa na ball no dey at the terms and explanation no yes
I think going forward for the past in fact, me already be 3 years, but for the past 2 seasons, me Kaiser Ghana Premier League no. Many time I posted you meaning say communication gadgets are you share with TV so say be a Ghana for no can up biama we referees there or mu use there and no go bet me na kasa
okay
say flag no say a form of communication but nya there and no that time that was the only communication means but now to me kasa they say omo pe correct ones and fa more no bet me abo antika okay good as so obi atwo there be my play advantage na nka no I simple their mind and finally Godwin dear no so na make can be say or referee no Aston referee no page flag no omugina you play to the whistle
okay
and going forward the omo bo sisi anso e fan you play to the whistle
so referee more na
ben keep playing we twa okura mpo a wo da hol kwa referee share na ben obi nkonko cover na ye ne stadium so ye hu say 3 things na wo ne ye nim ne mo ye accept ye be ba no nim de ye nim win draw lose ye nyina ye nim but to accept it and difficult manner how no but insurance ade no
Cecilia maybe lines no 03220 83581